What's up guys, Ryan here, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to make an origami bobblehead. So this is going to be like a bobblehead dog, and I mean, as you can see, 2 pieces of paper obviously, but as you can see, if you like hit the head, it kind of shakes up and down like a bobblehead. So without further ado, let me show you how to make it. So if it wasn't already obvious, for this model we're going to need 2 pieces of paper. For the head, the eyes are going to be white, and the rest of the head is going to be brown. But for the body, it really doesn't matter, so I'm just going to make the whole body is going to be brown. So let's start with the body. With the color side down, we are going to fold it in half both ways, corner to corner. Alright, so once that's done, we are going to fold all 4 corners to the center. There we go. Alright, so after we folded all 4 corners to the center, we are going to fold it in half. So fold one corner to the other corner. Do it this way. There we go. So you're going to have this triangle type thing. The 2 corners like this, make sure those are at the bottom left. Alright, like this. Finally, we're going to fold the tail, so just fold this corner to any point along the bottom edge. There's no reference for this, but I'd make it big enough so it balances. So this is the final body, and it should balance like this, okay? Now we're going to make the head. So start with the eye color side up, or the head color side down, and we're going to fold it in half edge to edge and corner to corner. Both ways. So it's edge to edge, now corner to corner. Okay, so once we've folded it in half both ways, we're going to fold the top 2 corners, white side up, eye color side up, make sure. We're going to fold the top 2 corners to the center. Alright, there we go. Now we're going to fold this edge to this edge, and same thing on the other side. So this edge to this edge. Alright, once that's done, we are going to fold this bottom edge to the top. So we're going to fold this point, this center point, and line it up with the vertical center line. And the reference is going to be slightly above this point right here. So slightly above here, which is about there. Alright, so these 2 triangles are going to be the eyes, and this is the nose, and these are the 2 ears. So for the second to last step, we are going to fold the nose. We're going to fold the nose up just a little bit. No reference, but somewhere around there. Make sure this point lines up with the vertical center line. All right, finally, we're going to fold it in half. So we're going to mount and fold the whole thing like this. And this is the head. So you see you have the eye, and then the nose, and then the 2 ears. And so now let's put it together. So the head is going to balance on the body like this. And it's kind of like a bobblehead. So let me just show you what it looks like from this angle. See, there you go. So you have a, oop, gotta be careful. You have a cute little bobblehead dog, origami dog. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. It's not hard to make at all, but it's a cute little origami thing you can put on your desk or give to someone who really likes dogs. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.
I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you.